In this video, I'll show you how to send to a segment in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to set up your segment. In order for you to do that, simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and from here, head over to the bottom and click on Audience. Now, under Audience, head over to the bottom and click on the second option, which is Segments. Now, once you were on the segment section, in order for you to create a new segment, simply head over to the top bar, and on the right hand side, simply click on the green button to create a segment. Now, that will open the segment builder. From here, you can set up your filters. So at the bottom, we have here select or search a filter. Now, let's say I want to do my tags, and I will say contact is tag. From here, I will simply select a tag in which I can use, let's say 2026. And once you have your segment, head over to the top bar, and on the right corner, click on the green button to use the segment. From here, I will give this my segment name. I will say 2026 tag. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on save and exit. Once you do that, you will automatically have your segment. Now, to email a segment, head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the top, click on the Create button. Once you do that, you want to choose if you want to create a regular email or a multivariate test. On the left-hand side, you can also click on Email. You can choose from either a regular, plain text, multivariate, or template. I will choose a regular email. At the bottom, you want to add an internal name. Let's just say email campaign for 2026 tag. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Begin. Now, that will take you to the preview of your campaign. Now, in order for you to apply your segments, what you need to do is simply head over to the first option, which is To. Click on it, and it will have a drop down. From here, you want to head over to the Send To section, and at the bottom, click on the tab. From here, you will have an option at the bottom, which is Segments. You want to click on the drop down. And once you do that, it will automatically show all of your segments. I want to add the 2026 tag. You can also add multiple segments if that is something that you want to do. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Save. Now, once you click on Save, it will calculate the recipient count depending on your tag. And as you can see, we have added a segment to send in our campaign. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.